In search of more living space, many homeowners turn to their outdoor areas. Outdoor dining rooms, fire pit lounges and extensive cooking setups are just a few ways to create an inviting yard. You'll find those ideas, and plenty others, in the following countdown of the most read patio and deck tours from our Patio of the Week series. 10. Casual backyard delights. The senses. Location, Los Angeles. Size, 2, 600 square foot, 242 square meter, backyard, 1, 600 square foot, 149 square meter, front yard. Designer, Catherine Bosler of Bosler Earth Design. The owners of this backyard in Southern California wanted a drought-tolerant, dog-free. Additionally, they wanted a space where they could enjoy year-round indoor-outdoor living. Working with landscape designer Catherine Bosler, whom the homeowners found on house, the couple can now enjoy the natural sights, sounds and smells that Southern California has to offer, all from their backyard. There is a movement in the garden from birds, bees and butterflies, Bosler says. It is the garden for all of the senses. See more of this patio shop for outdoor fire pits. 9. San Francisco yard. Place with light and shadow. Location, San Francisco. Size, 3,000 square foot, 279 square meter, backyard. Lot is 1/10 of an acre. Designer and project manager, Beth Mullins, principal of Grows Green. Landscape design contractor, John Rigney of Seed Landscaping. Landscape design. I'd made a point to create a traditional and modern mix in our home's interior, and I wanted someone who could help me achieve the same effect for the exterior, Heemstra says. Mullins and the homeowners turned to house for inspiration and ended up creating a clean, modern aesthetic mixed with traditional principles. See more of this patio. Find a landscape designer near you. 8. Cottage garden inspired style for a farmhouse. Location, Hawthorne Woods, Illinois. Size, 750 square feet, 70 square meters, designer, James M. Juitsky of Ginkgo Leaf Studio. After 20 years in their home, a couple finally got around to installing a patio in their backyard. Ginkgo Leaf Studio, a landscape design firm whose work the homeowners had admired on house, designed a master plan for the entire property inspired by the home's farmhouse architecture and interiors that are traditional, yet casual. A colorful cottage garden fills the edges of the property, while a patio of bluestone and brickwood areas for dining and lounging anchors the center of the space. See more of this patio. Need a pro for your landscape design project? Let House find the best pros for you. 7. Easy flow between casual gathering spaces. Location, Piedmont, California. Size, lawn is 360 square feet, 33 square meters, deck is 308 square feet, 29 square meters, patio is 192 square feet, 18 square meters, gravel area is 120 square feet, 11 square meters, designer and builder, Barry Sakharov. The redesigned yard features a new deck, a patio and an area for sports play. Moving from a place where you cannot be outside for 6 months of the year, they wanted to take advantage of having a yard and being out there for much of the year, Sakhar says. The lower patio, shown here, features bluestone pavers, a freestanding gas fire pit and overhead string lights. See more of this patio. 6. Mature trees and shade. Drive. The design location, Naperville, Illinois. Size, dining space is 224 square feet, 21 square meters, social space is 336 square feet, 31 square meters, designers, John L. Gazzini and Kevin Manning of KD Landscape Management. Mature trees on Kevin Manning's property. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.